Before AI, everyone has to work hard to do multiple simple tasks like problem solving, essay writing, or idea generating, and many more. But now we have to do other things. Number one is typing a piece of text, and number two is to sit and wait for AI to get you the results. Yeah, that's all. But this all raises a crucial question. How far should we push the capabilities of AI?
Should we allow AI machines to flood the internet with propaganda?
This has been a week where concerns over the rapidly expanding use of artificial intelligence.
ChatGPT, a language model created by OpenAI, has the ability to respond to prompts in a human-like manner.
The pros of AI advancement. Now, let's talk about all the cool stuff artificial intelligence can do. It's not just about making things easier, it's about making things better. AI helps us work faster, healthcare innovation, improved decision-making, and even adds extra convenience to our daily lives. And when we hear about all the awesome things AI has achieved, it's hard not to get excited about the positive changes it's bringing to our world. The ethical dilemmas. But along with all the good stuff artificial intelligence, there are some tricky issues we need to talk about. Things like privacy, jobs, and whether AI treats everyone fairly. Real-life stories show us how AI can sometimes cause problems or stir up controversy. It's a reminder that we need to be careful as we navigate this digital world. The role of regulation. To deal with these tricky ethical questions, we need rules and regulations for how AI is developed and used. Governments and organizations all over the world are working hard to create a policy to make sure AI is used responsibly. It's important for everyone to work together to find the right balance between moving forward with AI and making sure we're doing it in the right way. The future implications. Now, let's think about what might happen if we keep advancing AI without any limits. We're talking about everything from super smart AI to how it might affect humanity as a whole. We need to be ready to face these uncertainties and take steps to make sure that AI benefits everyone and doesn't cause harm. Finding balance. Push forward with AI. It's crucial to strike a balance. We need to work together, technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public, to make sure we're heading in the right direction. By talking openly and getting involved early on, as we come to the end of our journey, we're struck by the complexity of AI's influence on society. The age of AI offers incredible chances for progress. Let's take a moment to think about how we can shape the future of AI responsibly. If you found this video informative, so like, share, and subscribe to our channel, AI Beyond Us.